Let's talk hashtags. Now, one thing that really annoys me is people are just using hashtags all the wrong way. So what are hashtags? Why do you need them? How can you find which are the right ones? And how can you actually use them to grow your business and your profits and your clients and your audience and all that other stuff? Stay tuned. Also known as the Equine Business Assistant, and I help equestrian businesses to harness the power of the internet and grow. And today we're talking about hashtags because they are just the most coolest thing when it comes to growing on social media. So, what is a hashtag? Why do you need it? And why are you doing it all wrong? Right? Because seriously, here are 3 things that I see over and over again that people are doing it wrong with hashtags. So the first thing that I see people doing wrong a lot is using hashtags that basically have just too big a following. They're too hard to be competitive in. They're really hard to show up in because they've got like millions and millions of people using them because they're too generic. So make sure that when you're using hashtags that the pool of people using that hashtag isn't like massive, because you'll find there's so many going on every single minute that you're going to really struggle to show up. So it's a waste of using the hashtag. Number 2 is the opposite. So using hashtags that basically nobody's searching for, because if nobody's searching for that hashtag, again, you're not going to show up. It's a pointless hashtag. And I see so many people all the time like using a bucket of hashtags that they've got off somebody because they've just gone, oh, hashtag like for like, hashtag follow, hashtag mum, hashtag rubbish. Don't use it, right? Because it's actually going to probably put your reach down because they're just not relevant enough. So make sure that the hashtags that you're using aren't too competitive, but they're also not like there's nobody searching for them. 2, using hashtags that just have no competition. If nobody's searching for that hashtag, you're not going to be found on it. So unless there's a reason for you using it, like you're doing a course and you want to be found by other people on that course, and so there's going to be only that pool of people, just don't use the hashtag. So do check out that they've not got too many people, they've not got too many people, if that makes sense. The other thing that really annoys me about hashtags is just using these like ready done hashtag lists, because again, some of them aren't relevant and some of them are a bit spammy. So you must make sure that you've actually checked that each hashtag that you're going to use is 1, relevant to the post, and 2, it's worth using. Last but not least is using irrelevant hashtags. It's so easy for people just to hashtag anything, but if it's not relevant to the photo and it's not relevant to your caption, do not use it. It's just bad practice. So to recap, don't use hashtags with a pool of too many, like, because it's just too hard to compete. Don't use hashtags with nobody searching for them, unless of course there's a purpose to that hashtag in particular. Don't use just any old hashtags that anybody's given you, because they really must be relevant. So I hope you found this useful. If you'd like some help with your hashtags, I've got a hashtag masterclass coming up soon. So do make sure you join my email list and stay tuned so that you never ever miss any of these episodes. And for now, and until the next video, I will see you soon. Bye. So check out like how many is actually